What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to convert CSV data into Excel. So right away I'm going to open up this folder that contains the CSV data. So let me just right click and open this with the notepad so that you can have a look at the data that we're about to convert. So if you look at this data, you can see that it's actually comma separated, and we need now to convert this to Excel. So there are many ways that you can open up an Excel. You can just click here and type Excel and open it. Then you open a blank Excel sheet, or you can as well just go to the folder where you want to create the Excel. Then right click and then click on the Microsoft Excel worksheet and give it a name, say data Excel, like that, and then you double click on it. So it's going to open up a blank Excel. It's going to open up a blank Excel sheet, and then now you want to import or open a CSV. You can do that by clicking on this data tab, and then on the get transform data group, click on from text to CSV or stroke CSV. Then it's going to open up this window where we're going to navigate to the location of your data. So this is where our data is. Make sure that your data is in CSV. Click it, then click import. Just give it time to open up, and then so it's going to show up this type of table. This is just a preview of the data that we saw some few minutes ago. So file origin, we're going to stick with the Western European Windows, and then delimiter here you can choose. If your data is equal sign separated, you can choose that, or if it is semicolon separated, choose that, or space, or tab. For our case, for this data, my data is comma separated, so I'm going to stick to comma separated or comma delimited. And then data type detection, you can choose one that suits you, but for this case I think 200 rows is okay. And then you click on load. The moment you click load, it's going to create a table. So you can see now you have a beautiful table of for our customers. So that's how you create, or that's how you convert a CSV data into Excel sheet. So that's it for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.